Now, 2022 has been a rocky ride for working professionals. The once thriving Silicon Valley seems to have hit a rough patch. Massive layoff drives from tech giants like Twitter and now Meta have caught thousands of employees off guard. Now, the question arises, are tech giants really recession-proof as they claim to be? Or are the current market trends going to get the best of them? Mark Zuckerberg announced dismissing 11,000 of his employees who represent 13% of its workforce, and that too through cold emails. As the news of job cuts hit, employees were caught in a wave of anxiety. Some say they were up till 7 in the morning anticipating bad news in their email inboxes. Many ex-employees lamented on social media how they were laid off through an email. They called Zuckerberg's move quote-unquote inhumane and heartbreaking. Meta chief, however, admitted that he got it wrong and took accountability of his bad decisions that led to culling a significant portion of the workforce. But this is not new for Meta employees, as several have been hanging by a thread for months now. Back in July, Meta's head of engineering instructed managers to identify and weed out their lowest performing employees. More than a month ago, Meta said that it would stop making new offers to job candidates. Now it plans to continue the job freeze through March. Zuckerberg seems to be following the footsteps of new Twitter CEO. As one of his first actions as chief twit, Elon Musk brutally fired half of Twitter's workforce and locked them out of their business accounts. Reports say that hundreds of layoffs are underway at Salesforce. The ride-hailing app Lyft and financial services platform Stripe have also cut their workforce. Computer giant Microsoft laid off nearly 1,000 employees just in October. Tech giants have been known as recession-proof bastions of economic power. For years, the companies have grown rapidly and hired at lightning speeds. Facebook alone expanded its staff by 28% in the last 1 year. But the spat of job cuts spell a tumultuous new period in Silicon Valley. Quarterly earnings reports show that even most powerful corporate houses are feeling the impact of inflation and rising interest rates. Several companies blame harsh market conditions for the mass layoffs. Soaring inflation due to the Ukraine war and supply chain issues triggered by the pandemic are also on the list. The market trends have not only motivated job cuts, but they have also made it more challenging for tech startups to raise new funding. Meta has been struggling since its rebranding and continued investment in the metaverse. Since the major rebrand in October, the company's stock price has fallen by around 70%. This has wiped billions from Zuckerberg's net worth. However, Meta chief has faith and it has not faltered. He continues to hunt for his immersive internet white whale, which seems to be biting his employees in the back.